his tires rigid. Oh, well, arms come down. Okay, Rawlings is doing a heck of a smoke show, but yeah, Leah's pulling out in.
Welcome to Mario Kart. Mario Grand Prix. Select your player. Let's go. Okay. Select map.
No tree. Leah is an ace at the Pro Tree. Of course, yellow-green, that NHRA Pro Tree. Well, it ain't happening here. They're both going to react to the starter's arm drop. And we'll see how that works out. Okay, Leah in purple, Rawlings in the darker color.
All right, guys, check it out. I had a lot of subscribers contact me and ask me my thoughts on the Roadkill incident with Richard Rawlings. I took a look at it, and I guess from my standpoint, what I found is that it just looked like the guy was putting on a show. A lot of times on the drag strip, you see grudge racers, and they'll get out there by themselves, and they will just hammer the car and put on a show. The car goes up in the air, gets away from them, wrecks out. It's actually kind of exciting. And where it becomes dangerous at is when you have someone in the other lane next to you. Guys, you have to realize when you're on the drag strip, it's more than just you in those lanes. So you got to take consideration for your fellow driver. This particular event, it looked like they all had street tires on their cars, but it wouldn't make a difference if he had drag tires or not because he was doing a static burnout at the start of the race. So it appeared to me that he was going to attempt to do a burnout as far as he could down the 8th mile. Now, realize that that was not a regular drag strip. That was a street that they turned into a drag strip. Therefore, it was not as wide as a regular drag strip, which left very small room for error. And when his car went sideways or rear end got away from him, he was unable to recover the car and he ran into the wall. Fortunately, it got loose from him going into the wall and not going into the other driver's lane. That's why I say when you're out there on the drag strip, guys, don't try to put on a show when you're racing somebody. Leave that to when you're not racing someone. The other thing that I saw in that was that he was not wearing any safety gear. You know, who cares about that darn car? But Richard Rawlings, we want him to be okay. You know, that car is probably nothing more than a mule, which means when Dodge finishes with it, not going to be sold, they're just going to crush it. You know, they build a lot of cars to test out, and when they finish their service, they run them through a shredder. So no one cares about that car, but we care about Richard Rawlings. Even though he ran into a barrier, you know, I've seen guys go over the barrier and go a little bit further. So good thing that he was all right in that particular incident. So let's just keep it safe, guys, when we're out on the track. Try to pay attention. If we're going to put on a show, let's make sure we're the only ones out there on the track and not doing it while someone else is on the track racing against us. We have to be concerned for our fellow drivers. Anyway, guys, I'm Demonology. You know what I'm doing, snatching souls. Peace. Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top. And if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.